So let's do number 20. So let X be the average number of employees in a group in a healthcare plan. So X is the number of employees. And then Y, it says, is the cost as a percentage of claims. Okay, so Y is cost. All right, so the first thing it wants me to do is to make a scatter plot diagram of this data. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is 3 and 40. So I'm going to go to X my 3, and then I'm going to go up here in 40, and I'm going to put a dot here. Because see, I've got the dot highlighted and a hit dot. Okay, I'm going to check this. Oops, it didn't like that. Yeah, okay, let's do this. I'm going to take this. Let's do something else. I'm going to clear it again. Okay, so I'm going to try that again. Why does it keep saying 0.3? Shoot. Okay. Okay, it did it fine. I'm sorry. That's confusing to me. I'm sure it's confusing to you. So 0.1 is that. And then I want to do the next one, 735. So I'm going to go here and hit that. So 7. I can change it here to be exact. And then I'm going to do 15 to 30. I can get that one pretty good. And it didn't. So I'm just going to go in here and correct them as I do. And then 31 to 27. Check it. 31 to 27. Okay. And see, I can correct it. And then I'm going to look at 74 to 20. Okay. So I'm going to do that. 74 to 20. Okay. It's probably not going to like it because it says 0.2 and 3. So let's see how I did. Okay. So there's that. So I did that one. Okay. All right. And then it says, what would this correlation be? So it looks like it's a strong correlation, but the points are going down, which means it's a strong negative. Okay. So it says find R. It gives me all this valuables. Compute R. Well, I'm lazy, so I'm going to go use salt. So I hit salt. It's transferring all my data. And then I go to regression. I'm going to select it. Remember, X was number of employees. Y was cost. And look, it made my data for me. I'm going to put the regression line in there so I can see. So my stuff is pretty close. And all I need to do there is, what was it asking me for? Let me go back and look. It wants my R value. Okay, so let me go back to salt and let me see what I have. Okay. I have my R squared. Okay. So I can easily find my R value because I have my R squared. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to bring up my calculator. Oh, wait, I don't even need to do that. Duh, sorry. Here's my R value right here, my correlation right there. That's my number, negative 0.9291. What I was going to do is I was going to take the square root of my R squared and then put a negative sign because it's a negative correlation, but I don't even need to do that. Correlation's right here. So I go back here, put it in. That's my answer for that. And then what does it mean for us? As X increases, which means the number of people, does the value of R imply that Y should increase or decrease? Okay. So given that our value is R, Y should decrease as X increases. Okay. So what it's looking at is like, okay, so let's think about it. Y is the average administrative cost as a percentage of claims. When you get more people, that's going to decrease. That's what it's saying. Because remember, this is people as it keeps going bigger, and then costs are decreasing. Okay? Because sometimes in health insurance, if you have more people on your plan, they give you a better deal. Okay, so this is it. Decreases as X increases. Okay, and that's how to do number 20.